What is up, guys? We are back here at Steelhouse Hollow Lake on the kayak. Hopefully I can catch some big ones. I really want to get a share lunker. That is my goal. I caught what I think was a share lunker earlier this year, but I did not have a scale. So that sucks, but hopefully we get one today. Got one, guys? There we go. Oh, whoa. Come on now. Come on now. Ain't bad. Ain't a bad one. Ain't bad. Hey now, hey now. Hey. Come in the boat. This guy's being difficult. There we go. Well, we might as well get a picture of this guy or do something. First of all, though, I need to get out of area. Alright, guys. Ooh, pretty good one, I think. Pretty decent one. Let's get the release. Oh, guys. That was a big one. There we go, guys. Oh. Little one. Nothing huge. Stop, stop, stop. He's beat up. Post spawn. Look at his eye. That eye is weird. Let's get the release. There we go. Another one, guys. There we go, nothing huge again. Alright, guys, let's get the release. Here we go. There we go, guys. Got it when I was backing up. He's going out to deep water. He could be big. Although he doesn't feel big. He ain't big. He's decent though. He's decent. There we go. It's probably down his throat. Pretty good one. See if we can get this hook out though. There we go, guys. Let's get the release. There he goes. Had to do that release fast since he was out of the water for a while. This, guys. Those birds are fighting over a fish. Oh my god. Oh! They just dropped a bass in the water, it looks like. Biggest of the day comes right after I have to start charging my GoPro. Look at that, he is barely hooked. Right there. Well guys, it sucks that my GoPro wasn't rolling. It's charging right now. It's in the bottom of the kayak. It's inside of it actually where it can't get water on it. That's probably 3.5, I think. Let's get the release on this big mama. There she goes. Guys, I think this might have been the very next cast after that last one. But I got another. See if I can unhook him one-handed. Alright, 1 second. There we go. Let's get the release. There he goes. There we go, guys. See how big he is. Looks big. Oh. Big. There we go, guys. That's a fish right there. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Pretty good one, guys. Let's get the release. He's bleeding a little bit, but he'll be okay. Probably about 4 pounds. There we go. Alright guys, that last fish was number 7, and I've only been out here for like a few hours, so I'm definitely doing pretty good. Let's see if we can get number 8 though. There we go, guys. Oh! Had one, must have just been a little one. Dang it. Well guys, got another one, guys. Nothing huge. Let's get the release. There he goes. I need to get at least one more on camera to end this day off, guys. It is about 20 minutes till dark. See the sun over there. It's almost down behind those trees. So hopefully I can pull out another one. Well guys, that didn't end up happening, but thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Adios.